1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. God damn, I should actually change how I look at the videos. But today I'm going to be playing Demolition Derby 2. Very nice game. A game about driving cars, crashing them, watching them flip, watching them burn and crackle. So today I'm going to be using a Lagoon, which is the Ferrari. No, not Ferrari. What's it called? Okay, guys, I just need you to comment down very quickly. What is the name of that car in life? See, I'm going to be doing that one and this one today. So three tracks today. So 6 laps, 9 opponents. Yeah, so today this video is not going to be like my long videos like I normally do. But it's going to be a very decently sized video. So here we're in last place. What the worst place to start ever. Like, I swear I've never started in last. But it looks like there's some cars there having a bit of trouble. So yes, once these cars are... Oh god. What? What just happened? What just happened, guys? Guys, did you what the hell just happened? What? It just flew off the actual... What? What? What the hell just happened? So... What the heck just happened? Okay, so back to the actual video from... Yeah. What? So, yeah, okay, so driving at the speeds that we... Okay, I'm not doing that. That just honestly just ruined my life. So I'm gonna need a thumbnail and everything. Yeah, so... Cars as upgraded as you're allowed it to be. Look. 7 litre. So a stop. Need some off-roading. No. Actually, going to racing. Going to the max opponents. Go all the way down to the bottom of the map. This is the track we're gonna be racing on. So it doesn't go onto mud, so my car shouldn't have much problems. So this game is about crashing cars, but yes, also it's first, guys. What the hell? I don't want you. Flip over. Stop giving me ads. Crying out loud. Okay, I'm a ghost mode. That. Okay, don't look at that either. All these advertising. Where's my paid promotion at? Lol, I shouldn't say that on YouTube. Oh god. I don't use YouTube just for money, guys. I use it for fun. I'm not like Ruby Rube. Okay? There's loads of channels you need to go check out. I just need to find them all the names of them, and then do a big massive shout out episode and show you one of the videos each on each channel. One of them's got like 187 subscribers. in my class, bro. It's weird. You would be like, how come I've never heard of it then? All I do is YouTube. Oh, I have just messed up the tracks so bad. Yeah, or to restart it. Yeah, I'm only gonna make this a like 15-minute long video. Like 10 to 15 minutes. Because of the long durations of my videos. They're getting a little too long now. Like I've only just started a new YouTubing system of how I'm gonna keep my videos up. See, I'm going to attempt to vlog every day now, starting from tomorrow, and 2 gaming videos every day now, starting today. That has. So, yeah, new YouTubing system. Why don't they have anything there to say don't go there? Second time I've been there, done that. This is a very nice car. I had to pay for this car. Couldn't be bothered to save up for it. So, somebody's naughty and broke Fireman Sam's friend. Ooh, roasted him. Okay, if the actual actor of Fireman Sam will watch this video, then like that was like the greatest greatest kid show I watched. It was fun to watch, guys. It really was. I'm giving a shout out to Fireman Sam Man on my video. What the hell? Well, what I gotta do for YouTube, after all, it's dying slowly. Ooh, oh my god. Yeah, so soon, like, I'm going to be playing GTA 5, COD, and all them nice, good old games. But for now, we just gotta play mobile games till I can sort my Roblox recording system out and everything. Oh my god! But once my Roblox system's sorted out, then the videos are going to be lit. Yeah, I'm about to end my video. I'll end the video at this race. Like, cause I can. And I will. Nothing's gonna stop me now. 8th place. I'm gonna finish this race in like 8th place. Wait, this is the worst. Oh no, wait. 7th now, maybe, after this crash. Nope. Well, isn't life just devastating and poor? This is why you shouldn't let me drive. Okay? If I ever meet you guys in real life, just don't let me drive you around. I will kill you. Oh god, I take the wrong way again. Are you joking? Yeah, bro. Nah. Okay, like seriously, at the end of this race, I'm gonna end the video there. No! Wait, am I getting lapped? I've just been lapped, guys. Wow. Well, yeah, the end of this race, I'm ending this video. It's not been the greatest video I've done in life. At least it's not been the cringiest. Like, my gaming videos now aren't cringy, which is a good thing. Sick of having cringy gaming videos and everyone at school making fun of me. But they don't know what it's like. All they do is vlog. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. With a perfect drift. Yeah, I'm driving at high speed to you guys. Yeah, I've got 2 more laps. Last lap now. The final lap dang game. Yeah. This is like gonna be a better driven video. Like this is a new game as well to the series. To my channel. What? This is a new game that's going to be on my channel now. From now on. Really, man. Bloody hell. I'm not the best. I came last. I'm really not the best, am I? Oh God. Oh God. Yeah, guys, I'm like, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. And join the notification squad to never miss one of my 2 daily gaming videos and vlogs. Thank you for watching again. This was Vector Gamer 123456789, and I'll see you all in my next video.